Good morning students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. I am Jessy David, going to teach English for class 4, chapter 1, Mango Birds. The word mango birds are very familiar to all of you. Mango means fruit. It's not just a fruit, but the king of the fruit. And birds, very amazing, that fly high in the sky. Before I go to the lesson, let me teach you a song. Okay children? Okay. Now, mango, mango, yummy tasty mango, yummy tasty mango, green and yellow mango, green and yellow mango, mango, yummy tasty mango. It's not just a mango, it's the king of the fruit. It's not just the mango, it's the king of the fruit. Mango, yummy tasty mango. Mango, yummy tasty mango. Now, let me teach you the meanings. Cluster. Cluster means group. Cluster of mangoes. Blossom. Blossom means flowers. The branches of the trees were covered with blossoms. Delicious, tasty. The mangoes are delicious to eat. Amazement, surprise. When you look at God, we are surprised. Isn't it, children? Yes. Tumbling out, rolling away. In this lesson, we can see the mangoes tumbling out, rolling on the road. Okay? Now, let's see the aim and objective of the lesson. The aim of this lesson is we mustn't be greedy. Yes, we mustn't be greedy. We must share. We must have the habit of sharing. The second point, it's a mystery. We learn how golden oriole bird was born from this lesson. Golden oriole bird was born. How was it born? That we are going to study from this lesson. Now let's begin the story. Once upon a time, in a forest, there was a small cluster of mangoes like this. A small cluster of mangoes. In the spring, its branches were covered with beautiful mango blossoms. The forest echoed with honey bees. The forest echoed with honey bees. Soon, the flowers fell. Soon, the flowers fell. And there, in their place, small mangoes began to appear. Small mangoes began to appear. The sun grew hotter, hotter, hotter. The mangoes grew bigger, bigger, bigger. Slowly, they turned into golden yellow mango. Golden yellow mango, golden color. Now, as they were ready, delicious to eat, people approached the mango and started eating. The birds, the animals started eating without wasting it. They could hear a voice telling them, enjoy yourself, eat as much as you like, but leave some for others. Leave some for others. The people were surprised. Are the trees speaking? Yes, the trees were speaking. They thought it's a God who protected the forest and that it was his voice. And everyone who heard the voice obeyed them, obeyed the God. They did not waste the mangoes. Many other animals like rabbits, wild rabbits, monkeys, all the animals enjoyed eating the mangoes. But in the second scene, we can see a man, a greedy man, comes inside the forest carrying 2 sacks of bags. One big sack, inside it another small sack. He climbed the tree, started plucking all the mangoes. Never endingly, he was plucking all the mangoes, filling the sack. Later on, he was not at all satisfied. He heard a voice, "Eat as much as you like, but leave some for others." He never listened, did not listen to the voice, started plucking. Once the bag was filled, he climbed another tree to pluck the mangoes. Once he climbed the other tree, what happened? The mangoes that were there in the sack started tumbling round, rolling on the road, rolling on the road. They started tumbling round. The man came down from the tree, started chasing. He was very surprised looking at the mangoes tumbling around. He said, "Stop, stop, I will catch you." But the mangoes turned into oriole birds and started flying high in the sky. The man was surprised to see, he was amazed to see, and he was just standing quiet. Then the mangoes turned into oriole birds. They got wings, they fly high. So man mustn't be greedy. Whatever we have, we must share. This is the message for today, children. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. Meet you in the next class. Welcome.